Hey everyone, there is a good news that now DeepSeek V3 is available on Together AI. So if you go to this Llama Coder and here you see that in this drop down, this DeepSeek V3 is available. So if I choose this and here I can give any prompt for generating any app, and after that if I press enter, it will use this DeepSeek V3 and it is completely free. And also here you see that you will be able to upload the file. Suppose you want to upload a screenshot and want to make the app like that image, you can upload easily here. Okay, and also here you see that you can choose this high quality slower and low quality faster mode to get the best output. Okay, so another thing is that they have mentioned available on Together AI with the full 131K context and opt out privacy control, so your code will remain private. Okay, and they will not share your data. And another thing is that here you see ranked number 7 in chatbot arena, the only open model in the top 10, so it is also within only top 10. Okay, and also if I scroll down below, they have given another link like try it today on Together AI. So if I go to this link, I will find this type of interface, and here you see that in this model section on the right hand side, it is written DeepSeek V3. Okay, and the interesting thing is that you can chat with this DeepSeek V3 for free. But if you use the official DeepSeek API, then in that case you have to pay the money. But if you use this DeepSeek V3 through this Together AI, then you don't have to pay any money, and you can generate any kind of app, and you can do the simple chat also here. So if I simply write hi and press enter, you will see that hello, how can I assist today. So in this way you can communicate with this playground. Now I will show you how to generate the app through this Llama Coder. So many of you already familiar with this Llama Coder, but the thing is that previously this DeepSeek V3 was not there. So there was only Llama and this Coin and this Gemini, but they have now integrated this DeepSeek V3, which is good. And for the app, I asked this ChatGPT that I want to build some simple app and give me 10 such ideas. So it has given me some ideas like to-do list, weather, expense tracker, quiz app, recipe finder, and some personal journal app, habit tracker. Okay, so this habit tracker is actually interesting for me. So I will copy this habit tracker prompt. So just copy this and go to this Llama Coder and paste it here, this prompt. And here you see that I have chosen this DeepSeek V3. Now press enter. So here you see that it will take 15 seconds to generate the app. So let me check that how much time it is taking. So it is maintaining the proper structure like button and header and this all of this. Okay, within a second our app is ready, guys. So here you see that on the left hand side it has given all of these things like simple habit output and motivational stats. Okay, on the right hand side you see the preview. It has given a calendar. Here you see that there is a simple habit search bar and this current streak, longest streak, and this total successful days. And below they have mentioned some month. So if I click on this next, it is going to the next month. And if I go to this previous, so it is going to the previous month. And here you see that today is 11 January. So that's why this 11 actually the background is something kind of sky blue. Okay, so if I mark anything, let's say yeah, tomorrow 12. Okay, so number of total successful days, it is increasing, it is working, guys. And if I select 13, so also increasing to 2, select 14, it is now 3. Now what is the longest streak? Now if I select, okay, the longest streak is the 4 days. Okay, so 4 successful days is the longest streak, and here you see that it got updated here. It is a current logic. You can change that logic according to your need, but it is working. Okay, so in this way you can generate any kind of a app within a second, and it is fully functional app. You can share this app with anyone, your friends or any colleagues. Okay, so for that, just below here you see that there is a share option. Click on this share and just you will see the notification that app published. Now your URL got copied to your clipboard. Now go to any browser and paste and click on this enter, and now here also you will see the app. So here also we'll test. Yes, it is working fine. So you can share this URL with anyone and tell them that I have made this app, but within a second you have made it, they will not get. Okay, so in this way you can generate any kind of app and share it with your friends. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See here, I have already published many videos regarding this. You can watch that and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.